Course type, materials and pricing. Now, we're going to dive into the course types, materials and pricing that you'll want to know before starting. Note that I'm going to talk about courses that are on BSL specifically. As for course types, there are mainly three kinds. Course type 1. Tutored course via live, Zoom, Skype etc. class. If you've ever done an online class, you should already be familiar with the concept. Live Zoom tutored courses, you will have one-to-one tutor support throughout the course. Online Zoom class is a great opportunity to learn BSL and interact with tutor in live class. This ensures that the learner is adequately trained to work in a professional environment. Throughout this live Zoom class you will save time, money on traveling and able to attend the live Zoom classes and even sit for the final BSL exam remotely from anywhere in the UK. Live Zoom courses are also accredited by signature, Ofqual regulated nationally recognized qualifications. 2. Self-paced/online course. Independent courses are self-paced since they're pre-recorded premium video tutorials. The length is around 20 to 30 hours long. You can complete the self-paced online course at your own time from anywhere in the UK, and the course materials is accessible 24/7 from any devices. Once you complete the course, you can sit for an assessment online and earn your certificate. Pricing and tips on choosing the right instructor/course. Now comes the discussion of pricing. Price varies according to the type of course you're doing. It also depends on the delivery methods. Live Zoom courses are also accredited by signature, Ofqual regulated nationally recognized qualifications. Therefore courses price will be higher compared to self-paced pre-recorded online CPD accredited courses. For instance, our courses are famous for the quality and affordability. If you compare with other institutions, you'll see that we are offering very competitive fees with high-quality study materials. You shouldn't be stingy when it comes to education. But it's also logical to choose something that is of value for money. If you keep these two tips in mind, it'll help you choose the right course or instructor for you. Think about the quality, not the quantity. The course's length or the topics covered inside is mostly irrelevant if they are conducted poorly without any concern for the student's educational journey. Quality can also save you both time and effort. It's much better to learn something in a single month from one place than to learn the same thing repeatedly from different places because they aren't up to the standards. Now you can decide which courses will be suitable for you.